Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos without apps. Okay, first open your YouTube app, then tap your profile, then tap settings icon over here, then scroll down a little bit, then tap downloads, then tap download quality, then select ask each time option. Then turn off download over Wi-Fi only option. Now let's go back to homepage. For example, I like this video and want to download it. And to download this video, tap three dots, then tap download video, then select download quality, then hit download. But if you want to download YouTube videos in high quality, so you have to subscribe to YouTube Premium, okay? And if you want to see the video you've downloaded, tap your profile, then tap downloads, and here you can see the video you've downloaded, and you can watch it without internet. And if you want to delete it, tap three dots, then tap delete from downloads. And like that you can download YouTube videos without apps, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.